Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on the 15th of February 2024 unveiled the groundbreaking CM Connect initiative fostering direct citizen government interaction. This pioneering program offers a dedicated helpline number 1971 for citizens to voice concerns and grievances, ensuring prompt resolution by assigned department officials. Social media platforms, including WhatsApp, are also avenues for citizen government engagement. Operating from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. in 5 languages, including Khasi, Garo, and Jaintia, the helpline facilitates accessibility. Driven by the Chief Minister's vision to integrate every citizen into the state's development trajectory, CM Connect empowers the government to gauge scheme delivery, service efficacy, and program impact. Under the Meghalaya Next initiative, projects worth Rs 400 crores were unveiled, encompassing initiatives like the Meghalaya State Organic Mission, Meghalaya'S, and Green Meghalaya PES. Additionally, 12 processing units and 3 cold storages, virtually inaugurated by the Chief Minister, aim to optimize farmer collectives' produce utilization, thereby reducing wastage and enhancing farmer profits. The Meghalaya State Organic Mission targets the conversion and sustenance of 1 lakh hectares of land into National Program for Organic Production, Certified Organic Cultivation by 2028, a significant leap from the current 22,000 hectares. Furthermore, beneficiaries of Focus received distributed checks, underscoring the government's commitment to inclusive development.
Balap material yang malah sispa atau nyo hektar, riulang sampai hajar nyo spa sampai. Second period, look scale sampai hektar 4,13,840. Next, Saipong village 62.22 hectares, 4,48,880. Kalau cek jawab fokus sumahan yek nak cek ajrok. Tiga bersama support sumahan cuba yo cek fokus yek. Third last scan. Yakilang producer group 50,000. Napo West Pasir Hills Mawson Group Yex MPG 50,000. Tuginya thapti namtaz gini West Pasir Hills Namstoin Yatililang 1 lakh.
That every year we will be distributing the focus money to the groups, and let me share with you, obviously you have to work. The money that we are giving you in the first tranche, you have to utilize that. You have to achieve the goals. You have to be able to be productive. Because if that's not happening, then we need to guide you in the right manner. And hence, based on the performance of the groups, today we'll be releasing a tranche of 3.5 crores to almost close to 517 groups today. And as I said, in this financial year, we will cover once again the different 2 lakh families that we covered in the last 2 years, and the checks will keep going into their accounts. We'll be having programs like these in multiple locations. But how do we balance both livelihood and the ecology so that we're able to move forward in a sustainable manner? That's really what we are trying to achieve out here. And therefore, in this holistic approach of trying to manage our resource, a great and a very, very important resource for life, which is water, Meghalaya'S is a critical project, keeping in mind that the catchment areas that are meant for Shillong and Tura are being affected due to different activities, and keeping the increase in the population of the urban areas, we require more and more water in the coming days and years. But that can only be achieved if we are able to manage the water in a much more efficient manner and protect our catchment areas. I will tell you, Meghalaya will be a shining example for the rest of the country to follow. I have always stated in every forum that Meghalaya and the states in the northeast have always been considered as states which cannot perform or do not perform. I want to get rid of that tag. And I'm telling you, we are slowly succeeding. Today, Government of India, certain departments are appreciating the way Meghalaya is moving forward. The way Meghalaya is setting standards. The way Meghalaya is innovating. And we are showing the way for the rest of the country in many fields. While many challenges are there, and it will take us time to clear and to move forward in all of them. But we have made a very good and positive start. And in order for us to move in that direction, and as I said, be one of the leading states in the country, we will all need to work together.